Terpsky. Come on, Terpsky. You can do it, Terpsky. Come on. Good boy, Terpsky. Good boy. You got caught on shit, Terpsky. Come on. Come on, Terpsky. It's okay. Hey, guys, want to look at my Terpsky? Look at how fucked he is. Look at his little jaws. Look at his little jaws.
That's what happens when you don't brush your dog's teeth.
Yeah, Terpsky. Poor Terpsky. Don't hit Terpsky. He's got feelings. So we've all had this moment. This is a door handle from the passenger side on a 98 Mitsubishi Eclipse GST Spider. And when this happens, well, you know, it's a little upsetting. So basically what we're going to do at this point in time is we're going to take some Tight Bond 2 premium wood glue. Now this works for all applications, Talons, Eclipses, 3000 GTs, Stealths, it's all the same thing. You're going to want to apply a healthy coat to both of the broken off pieces. Yep. Yeah. Let that shit drip just a little bit. And then we're just going to kind of shove it back in the hole. And we're going to let that sit for about 24 hours, and it'll be nice and dry. And now you can see it's been sitting for roughly 24 hours. We wiped off all the excess wood glue. You definitely want to use that Tight Bond 2. Good shit, good shit. And there, it opens just like it should. There's no issues. You can see all the handles work just fine. Here's a little bit of wood glue here that got stuck in there. It's all good though. Let's do it again for good measure. There we go. Wood glue.
It doesn't actually work.
No, it doesn't work. This video was for comic relief only.